Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P Technology to the Point. In this quick video, I'm going to share 3 coupon codes for 3 different courses from the Udemy. So let's see the courses what you are getting here. First course is about computer network fundamental, which is of 4.5 hours. There you will learn about the computer network basics, OSI model, TCP, UDP, and you will understand the IP addressing, routing and switching basics. So this course is helpful if you are working in IT and you need to understand network fundamentals. Next course is about cloud management, where you will learn what is the importance of cloud management, what are the tools you can use for cloud management, and also you can start a cloud consulting business, and in the last you will learn how you can become a cloud consultant. So this is a quick course of 1.5 hours where you will learn everything about the cloud management. Next course is about Python certification, where you will get the access of 6 practice tests which can help you to prepare for your Python certification exam. So I'm going to share these course coupons one by one. So let's apply first coupon for this computer network fundamental, where you need to go to this apply code coupon and you need to enter April 23. This is the code. I'll share these all codes in the description box and in the comment section, so you can grab that with the link. So once you will click on apply, you can see now the course is available for free. Now let's apply the coupon code for this course. Here you need to apply code and you need to enter this code that you will get in the description box. Just you need to click on apply. This course will become free for you. Now let's talk about the last course. So the coupon for the last course, that is Python certification practice test, where you need to apply this coupon code. If you can copy from here, that is fine. Otherwise you can go to the description box or in the comment section. You will get these codes. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to click on like button, share with your friends and subscribe this channel for more such resources for free.